Alright, now we're going to try it. Addie, don't shout. That's not nice. Alright, so we're going to make a different kind of ornament. This one, you need peppermint. You know, peppermint, spearmint, you just need these little things.
I need help.
Remember what I told you? What you do is you take it from, where is the... Take it from here? Okay, she found it. Alright, so you can take your mints, grapevine motor, to have them open them themselves.
Oopsie.
Some of them are hard.
Uh-oh.
Here, Addie.
I'm not sure I can find it.
Here, you want some help? Look, here's one.
Here's one where I can find.
So what you do is you just get an ornament where you did gingerbread man and girl.
What do you do with
and you need to spray them.
Spray them?
With like Pam, baking spray, whatever. Here, Addie, look.
I can't do it.
It's easier if you find the ones with the other wrappings. Here, Addie, try this one. It has like the 2 twist tie things.
Where's your pile? Oh, there.
The trash pile's over there. So,
There.
but you just have them put at least one layer. Addie, leave them be. Keep putting them in. Hey, keep putting those in. You get cooking spray all over your hands. It's gonna be hard to take those out. Okay.
Uh-oh, I can't.
She did really well. We did this before, but it didn't turn out really well because I tried to use a different oven than I'm used to. Addie, you're breaking them.
Look at them.
Yeah, you broke them. Alright, so I like to do 2 layers just to make it thicker. Addison, stop. Makes it thicker and easier to poke a hole in later. And if they break, you just throw them in. Here, Addie, do you want help? Look.
I'm putting them in there to send you a message.
What message?
I need help message.
Well, I got the message. I'm helping. Can you put those in now?
Not good. I'm building the castle.
Okay. And if they get distracted, whatever. That's fine. Oh, go pick that one up. You want Harley to get it.
That one I was going to say.
Yep. Go find it. Find all the little pieces. Always takes a little bit longer when you involve children.
Pepper.
Did you find it?
Pepper.
Did you get it?
Pepper. I need some of these.
Okay, go throw that one away because it was on the floor. Now, with these, I'm going to just do Addie for her. We did these the other day and I messed up with the time. And I didn't have the sticks. Okay. Are you going to put them in here? Addie.
These are more messages. Those are more messages.
Here, why don't you put these on? I'm going to put them on the tray. You put them in the gingerbread man. Can you put them on the gingerbread man?
No, Aimee.
What? Here's the tray.
Are you sending me a message?
Yes, I'm sending you a message.
Oh.
It's put those in. Now, you can mix colors if you'd like. We just decided to do the man red, girl green. You can't mix them now, Addie. That one already has full stack. And what we're going to do, I think we need one more. Oh, maybe not. Alright,
I'm sending you a message.
You are? What message is that?
Look,
Oh, let's put those away. We need one more. Right there.
Those are
maybe not. Here, you want to eat that?
Ew.
You didn't even try it.
It's pepper.
So, what we're going to do.
It's pepper.
Peppermint, not pepper. Oh. We have a toaster oven. You can do it in the actual oven, which is what I normally do at school. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it in for a few minutes.
Yuck. Yucky. Yuck.
And while we put that in, we'll talk about what we're learning. First, she's tasting something new, which is hard for children sometimes. And it helps if you play with them. If you don't like it, you can go spit it out in the trash. That's what your candy cane's going to taste like. Just so you know. Yes, it is. It's a peppermint candy cane. What you're going to do is fine motor for opening that up, putting them on. We're doing science because we're going from solid to liquidy back to solid. It's art because they get to design it. Now, granted, like they have some that are more like you have more colors. I just got the 2.
I need them
now,
to feel me better. Candy makes me feel better.
How does it? Oh, that's great. We made lots of cookies yesterday.
No kidding.
So these are really easy cookies to make. This is just a Hershey Kiss, M&M, and a pretzel, which is shaped as a star. No, you get one. You can do Rolos. You can do Reese's peanut butter cups. I saw some of your peppermint patties. I didn't do those. And you can do peanut butter M&Ms or regular M&Ms on top. You just put the Hershey Kiss, Rolo, or Reese's on the pretzel on a tray. Put it in at 350 for like 2 minutes. And then when they come out, you put the M&Ms on quick. And then you have this nice treat.
To try.
We did it yesterday.
But I want to try to do that.
Yeah, you helped me unwrap them all. We have plenty. Later this year, we'll do some more. I'm sure my coworkers would love some when we go back in January. But it's really easy. Great fine motor for that because you're unwrapping and then you're putting them on. And it's not too hot for the kids. All right, so I'm going to keep an eye on this. You're going to put it in the toaster or oven or the oven for like 3 to 4 minutes. It really depends on your oven. I have to do like 5 or 6 because it's a very old stove. Oh, no, Addie, I don't want chocolate on me. Thank you, though. This one, I put it in for like 5 minutes last time, and it was too long. It kind of started burning it. So, bye. Where are you going? All right, but once you get out, I normally have a dowel rod or like a little one or like little meat skewers, and you just put a hole in it, and then you put a straw. You cut the straw, and you can put the straw in to hold the opening open, and it comes right out if you spray it. Which I forgot to spray this. And then you can put, and you let it dry for a day, and then you can put a string on it and hang it from your Christmas tree. Or you can eat it if the stuff's new.
My name is Pretzel on a Pretzel Star.
Yeah, okay, pretzel on a pretzel star. Okay, great imagination.
Hi.
She has a good imagination.
Hi.
Okay, they're still melting.
Hi.
Hi. So what you're going to do is you're going to spray this off as well and then cut it. Or cut it and then spray it. Either way. Because that way they don't stick. Last time I don't know what I was doing. I didn't spray it. It stuck. Couldn't, like, the one didn't open well. The other one, this was stuck in. So I just threw them away. I'm like, we can make more. Addie, can you show them your apron? We each had our own apron for our cookie making day yesterday. I made Addie's as a surprise to her. It says Addie's cookie apron. See, look, it's Addie's cookie apron, and then it has a chocolate chip cookie and a gingerbread cookie. So, did you like that yesterday when I gave it to you? No? She did. Do you like your apron? Yeah. Sometimes it's hard to get her to wear the aprons, so I figured if I decorated it, great. I got the apron at the Dollar Tree. Alright, it's just about done. I got it at the Dollar Tree, and I had those craft paints and the markers from before, from other activities we do. Here, Addie, I'm going to need this. And when it comes out, do we touch the pan?
No.
Why? Why don't we touch the pan? Because it's cold? No? You have food in your mouth? Because it's hot? Okay. It is hot. Alright. It should be done pretty soon.
Aimee!
What?
Say that again because I have food in my mouth.
Oh, do we touch the pan because it's cold?
No.
Do we touch the pan because it's hot?
Yes.
Okay. So we don't touch the pan because it is hot. This part I normally do without the children because, like, I'll take it and I'll show them, but I'll have the tray out of their reach. And I would normally poke the hole as soon as it comes out. So we're using a nice pencil.
Aimee.
What? You feel better already?
See
Baby rockets. Woo.
Can I try?
Whose school is that, Addie?
Mine.
Your school? You're in high school? Since when?
It's now.
Oh, since now. Who teaches at this school?
This is my rocket ship.
Mm-hmm. But who teaches?
Mommy!
I'm going to need your rocket ship soon.
Why?
Because we're going to need it to poke a hole. Alright, I'm going to let little Miss Rocket Ship here entertain you. Well, I cut this.
My pieces.
In pieces, yep. Addie, don't come on the table.
Hi. That's fun. Hi. Hi. Hey, look, Yaya.
What did you call Yaya earlier?
Allie.
Allie. My sister might actually have her name back. Oh, what? What? I know. What? All right, Addie, watch out. This is hot.
Careful. Stand over here.
Okay. All right. Can I have the pencil back so I can poke a hole? He's got a little more done than normal, but
Don't touch it.
I'm not touching it. I'm poking a hole. Poke the hole while it's hot.
You're touching it.
I know. It's okay. And then you put the...
How can I have my rockets at bay?
Yeah, go ahead. Take it back. Whoops. Here. Now, can I have your rocket ship for a sec? Again.
So
It goes-
needy, Aimee.
I know. You can have it back now. There we go. All right, so we're going to let these dry. I did let them in like a shade too long, but here. Ta-da. And they will be beautiful ornaments in about a day.
And you can eat them.
You could eat them if you wanted to. Maybe not if you put them on the tree. But if you don't put them on the tree, you can just eat them. All right, say bye.
You can put them on the tree.
You can put them on the tree. Ready?
If you can eat them on the tree.
I don't know if I'd eat them if I put them on the tree, because wouldn't they be dirty?
No.
All right. Bye.
Bye!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Sorry for the yelling.